good day. You are now with me for today's book review segment. Children's storybooks play an important role in developing early literacy, creativity, and moral values. This material effectively for young learners because they combine simple text, attractive illustration, and imaginative storylines that capture attention while instilling life lessons. It is also one of ways where children can develop language skills, moral understanding, and creativity. Through simple language, colorful illustration, and imaginative plots, children are able to learn lessons about life while also enjoying by a reading process. By engaging with storybooks, children not only learn to read, but they also learn to think critically and understand values such as kind, honest, courage, and trust. Our focus today is on a children's storybook entitled The Turtle and the Elephant Tusk that published by Penerbit Idea Creative. Although the author name is not stated, the book features colorful and attractive illustration. The categories of this book is an animal folktale. It is designed especially for young readers. The storyline of this book tells of a wise turtle and an arrogant elephant living in the jungle. The elephant had a peculiar habit, which is eating turtle. One day, the elephant was about to eat her. The turtle cleverly suggests that she should be roasted first. So, the elephant confidently built a fire. But the turtle quickly dug a hole beside the fire and hid inside. When the fire burned out, she came out alive, and the elephant was shocked. To keep her promise, the turtle roasted the elephant instead. The turtle took the elephant tusk. She blew the tusk and suddenly it produced a sweet melody. Since that, she entertained all the animals in the jungle. This book presents two main characters, which is the intelligent, brave, and quick-thinking turtle. Second, the elephant, which is strong, arrogant, and greedy. In terms of my opinion, this book is meaningful because it teaches children that wisdom and intelligence are more powerful than arrogance and strength. However, certain parts such as the roasting scenes may appear too harsh for very young readers and might require adult guidance. For its presentation, the language is simple and clear. The font also large and the illustrations are colorful and expressive. All these features help capture children's attention and make the story more engaging. On a scale of 5, I give this book 4 stars. The storyline is simple, the values are strong, and the illustrations are attractive. 1 star deducted because the words are not colored according to the syllables, which would have made it easier for children that learning to read. The Turtle and the Elephant Tusk book is a fascinating folktale that combines entertainment and moral education. It is suitable for children aged 4 to 7 years old and it is recommended for both classroom and bedtime reading. In conclusion, The Turtle and the Elephant Tusk is a storybook engaging children fable that combines entertainment with valuable moral lesson. It highlights the importance of intelligence, humility, and clever thinking in overcome challenge. The story shows that wisdom is more powerful than physical strength and that arrogance can lead to downfall. These values are valuable lesson for young children because it will help to shape their character and the way of thinking from an early age. Overall, it is a meaningful and enjoyable story that deserves to be recommended as a reading material for children in the early years of education. The moral story from this book is arrogance not only destroys oneself but also make others dislike us. That's all for today's book review segment. I am Aina Sophia reporting the story of the turtle and the elephant tusk. Thank you.